Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Creative Cuisine, your ultimate destination for all things kitchen decor. Whether you are a passionate home cook, a culinary enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates a well-designed kitchen, you have come to the right place. At Creative Cuisine, we believe that a beautiful decorated kitchen can elevate your cooking experience and create an inviting atmosphere for family and friends. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with endless inspiration and practical ideas to transform your kitchen into a stunning and functional space. Join us as we explore various styles, trends, and themes in kitchen decor. From modern and minimalist design to rustic farmhouse charm, we have got something to cater to every taste and preference. Our knowledgeable host will guide you through step-by-step tutorials, helpful tips, and DIY projects to help you achieve dreams kitchen on any budget. Expect to find videos on kitchen makeovers. Witness the incredible transformation as we revamp outdated kitchens into a stylish culinary heavens. We all share budgets, friendly tips, clever storage solutions, and decorative essence to breathe new life into any kitchen space. Number 2, design inspiration. Immerse yourself in a world of kitchen design ideas. We will showcase different color schemes, materials, lighting techniques, and layouts to spark your creativity, assist you in finding the perfect look for your kitchen. Join our vibrant community of kitchen decor enthusiasts and let us inspire you to create a kitchen that reflects your unique style and enhance your culinary adventures. Subscribe to Creative Cuisines today and embark on a journey of tasteful transformations. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video.